welcome back to Budget Friendly Cooking. I am Donna and today we're going to make Georgian Ajika spicy pepper relish. So I actually have a recipe in my cookbook around the Georgian table. If you're interested, you can purchase it. I'll put the link down below. All detailed, wonderful recipes of Georgian food. And for those who are here for the first time, I want to let you know that this is a place where I prepare simple, budget-friendly and delicious recipes that are easy to put together under 20 minutes. Some of them are Georgian, some of them are my own recipes. So if you would like something like that, you can subscribe to my channel and I promise to share recipes every week. So this is very simple relish made from hot peppers, a little bit of garlic, some Georgian spices like blue fenugreek, coriander, marigold, a little bit of vinegar, salt, and a little bit of olive oil. That's it. I have about a pound of Fresno peppers. I like those peppers for Ajika because they have flavor, they have spice, they have heat, and I like to discard the seeds out. So make sure that you put the gloves on because they are pretty spicy, and that even if you wash your hands after cleaning them, it still stays on your hands, and then if you touch on your face, that's not gonna be pretty. So I'm gonna just, cut that, take the seeds out. You can leave the seeds if you want. It's gonna be more spicy. I just don't like the texture of the seeds, so I like it, my Ajika, like medium spice. Also, you can add bell peppers, and when I bought those peppers, I actually let them sit out. Make sure that they don't have like kind of rotten parts. Just cut that. Like, this is actually not good because you don't want too much moisture, too much liquid when you put them in the food processor and puree them. So in Georgian cooking, spices are very important that give the Georgian dishes like very distinct flavor. And it's hard to find some of these spices. One of them is blue fenugreek, and a couple of weeks ago I went to this store, Calustian's in New York, and I was browsing around because I just love this store because they have a lot of spices, they have a lot of fun ingredients, and I asked them, like, do you guys have blue fenugreek? And I thought they would say, no, we don't, but she was like, yes, we do. And I was so excited to see that. This is a blue fenugreek. That's how it looks, the seeds, which I'm gonna grind. And in pretty much every recipe that I have in my book, you need blue fenugreek and also marigold, like which are marigold petals. And I bought that too. It's pretty pricey, $12.99, but you can order them online and they will ship it to you. It's an amazing store. They have wonderful spices from all over the world, and I was very happy to find my blue fenugreek there. So I'm gonna grind it in a coffee grinder. All right, let's see how it looks. Ah, beautiful. All right, gonna use that. Guys have no idea how amazing this spice is. Okay, so here I have ground coriander, ground marigold, and I'm gonna add blue fenugreek. Okay, and we're gonna put everything in a food processor. Boom, 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 and we are done. Peppers in. Garlic, our spice mix, and we can pulse. That smells fantastic. Need some salt. Let's do about half a tablespoon. And then I have about 2-3 tablespoons of vinegar. I have apple cider vinegar, but you can use white wine vinegar or red wine vinegar. We need a little bit of acidity in that. Put this on. 3 more times. Okay. There. How beautiful it is. You can grind a little more or just leave like this, like chunks like this. But I'm gonna do a little more. And usually I leave it outside for a couple of days so that it starts like kind of fermenting. But guys, that smells amazing. So what we do with the ajika, like how we use it, it's a great condiment with meat. It's good with scrambled eggs or any kind of eggs that you prepare for breakfast. It's great with fried potatoes. Add a little bit of olive oil. Just a tablespoon, that would be good. All right, that's perfect. You can also like add a teaspoon or a tablespoon to your soups and stews, and it will give the flavor and heat and yeah, what else? Nothing else. We're gonna move it in the glass jar and just leave it outside and then stir like a couple of times a day, in the morning and in the evening before you go to bed, when you wake up, or just put it in the fridge and have that condiment. You know, it lasts for a month, even more. So we're not gonna cook that. This is pretty much ready. It's not gonna go bad because it's spicy, it has vinegar, it has olive oil, it has garlic, and it's actually amazing. So if you guys like what I'm doing here, make sure you subscribe to my channel because it helps me to do more recipes, to teach you guys more budget-friendly, easy, healthy, and interesting dishes, and that would be great if you can do that. This is ready. I'm gonna move it in this beautiful jar. I want to taste that. If it needs any salt. So good. So that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope you guys gonna make that. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you order the book, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye-bye.